Here's the blizzard of 2016 right here in Claymont, Delaware. And to shovel a pathway for the dog to get out. He's only about a foot off the ground. He wouldn't be able to be seen in this. Started it last night and just been keeping up with it. Haven't even did the driveway yet. See the winds blowing and just a real mess. Luckily I was off from work this weekend, so yeah, it's like halfway up that fence line. Wow. They're expecting another 6 to 8 inches or something, they're saying, throughout the day. So we already got about a foot, maybe a little more. I think there's 14 inches of snow right now. So, alright guys, just keep me posted. I'll, there it goes. Alright. That's what it looks like so far. Blizzard of 2016. It's starting to come down again. Pretty hard. I'm going to get back inside. I got to go out and shovel a little bit later on the front. As this starts to slow down and probably come clear this path off again for the dog.